If you're just starting out with automations and want to learn how to build workflows in n8n, this is your starting point. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google services like Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, and Google Drive to n8n using Google Cloud credentials the easiest way. Once it is set up, you will be able to do things like write Gmail drafts, read Sheets data, and automate tasks using AI agents, all with zero manual efforts. We will begin by setting up some Google Notes inside n8n, then head over to Google Cloud Console to activate the APIs and connect everything. So let's dive in. Open your n8n dashboard. So let's click Create Workflow. The first thing that you need to do always, renaming your workflow, Google Credentials. Perfect. Let's start the first node by clicking this plus icon. Search Google Sheets. Add any node, it doesn't matter. And then if you want to go back, just click there at the top. Alright, so that now we're back to the canvas. Let's add a new node again. Google Drive. Okay, any node, doesn't matter. Let's add Gmail. Any node again. And lastly, Google Calendar. Alright, let's start the setup of Google Cloud Console. So go to New tab and then search Google Cloud Console and then click the first link. Now this is the homepage of Google Cloud Console. Go to Quick Access and click API and Services. The first thing that you need to do is to create a project. I have already deleted this project, so create a project there at the top, as you can see here. Alright, so the project name will be n8n demo. You call it n8n integration. Leave the organization empty and click create. Okay, perfect. Now we need to enable the services before doing anything. Click here, enable APIs and services. Search for Google Sheets. Click it. Enable. Do the same for other Google services like Google Drive and Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Tasks. So here's Google Drive API. Enable. So do this for all the services. The second step is to create OAuth consent screen. Click here at the left corner. Alright, this window will be prompted. You click Get Started. Give the application name, let's say n8n integration. User support email is default, the current user that you're using to. And here the audience, click external because you are sharing this with n8n. Click Next. Enter the email address here. Click Next. I agree, continue, and then create. And then you will be prompted this window. Click Create OAuth Client. Select the application type, which is web application. Let's say n8n integration. Same. You will skip this one. Come to the authorized redirect URL. This is where you're going to give permission to n8n. So we need to give the callback URL from n8n. How do you get this one? Let me close it. Go to credentials here. You may have 0 credentials, so click create a new credential and then give it a second. The OAuth redirect URL is being populated here. This will be automatic. n8n will provide. Go back to the Google console and then paste it here. Perfect. Then create. Here is very critical step because we need to publish this app in order for us to access it. So here is where you will add the users. Enter the user first before publishing the app. You will enter your email there. If you skip this step, you will end up an error. Okay, now everything is set. Here is my email. Just click publish app. This confirmation pop-up will appear and then click confirm. There you go. Your app is ready to use now. Okay, so let's open Google Sheets trigger and then create new credential. Okay, now everything is ready. So let's add the client ID and client secret key. This is the client ID copied. Go back to n8 and paste it here. Again, copy this client secret key, paste it here at the bottom. Now we have to see sign in with Google. Click it. Okay, let's give it a moment. So all the active Gmails will appear here. So click the correct one. This app will pop up. No worries. Go to advanced and then go to elastio.app. This is the VPS that I'm using, Virtual Private Server. Alright, so this window will be prompted as well. Give access to everything and then select all. You should get a success window. Connection successful. Perfect. Now we're all set. Let us rename this one to the correct Gmail that I'm using. Now you have successfully established the connection between n8n and Google Cloud Services. We have done Google Sheets. Here is a quick assignment for you. Try doing the same for Google Drive, Calendar, and Gmail. It is the same steps, same process, nothing new. Just repeat the process. Take it as a practice. If you get stuck, go back and watch the video. If you still face an issue you can't fix, drop it in the comments. I'll reply and help you out. Or you can join my community and share it there. I'll support you one-on-one if needed. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.